Hello and welcome everybody. APDN stock on 29 November. Let's see that step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Let's start with the 0 1 Fibonacci level here. So I think this is going to be referring for us that is dealing with the price that happens on this stock during these movements. So I think it is going to be the feedback about what happened if 0 1 Fibonacci level had not been completed. If we went for 4 hours, this goes to be giving us in the wider shape. It's that is a price that we want to actually think about here. So that's going to be the circle that starts to increase and then after it a decrease. So that is going to be for the referring back for what would happen if that goes to be the price of the APDN with a spike that goes to be here or this movement. So that is what happened in the previous waves, and good luck to another episode on the news today of the stock, and good luck.